Hi everyone, Peter Kessling here at Capital Injury Law. I am a lawyer and I have recovered millions of dollars for injured clients from insurance companies, which makes today's video a little interesting. I've invited an insurance agent from Country Financial to come talk to me about insurance issues. This is video one of a multi-part series, and in this video, Jon Killingbeck of Country Financial is going to be talking to us about compulsory insurance, and that is what you are legally required to have in order to drive in the state of Washington. Please watch. I hope that it's educational for you, and watch out for the next ones as they come. Again, Jon Killingbeck of Country Financial, and his contact information will be shown here in a minute. All right. Hi, Jon. Could you please introduce yourself for everyone?
Yeah, I'm Jon Killingbeck with Country Financial Insurance, and I specialize in really auto and home insurance and life.
Okay, very good. I appreciate you taking a minute to chat with me about insurance, specifically with reference to automobile insurance. I just wanted to ask some questions that my clients frequently ask to give them an opportunity to hear from an insurance agent without feeling like they're being sold on something. And that's not to speak poorly. I think it's helpful for them. The first question I have for you is, does the state of Washington mandate that people have automobile insurance?
Yes, they definitely do. The state minimums are what you're going to hear as 25,000 and 50,000. This is for bodily injuries that you cause, and 10,000 for property damage.
Okay, and so what you're saying is, in the state of Washington, there's a law that indicates that in order to drive, you have to have insurance, and that in order to have appropriate insurance, you have to have those limits that you're talking about?
Yes, to be legally insured, it must be a minimum of the 25,000 and 50,000, and then 10,000 for property damage. Okay. Now, that being said, I would say the industry would argue that about 40% of Washington drivers are driving illegally.
Okay. And I was going to ask that in a minute, and we can come back around to that topic. But in order to make sure that we all understand what we're talking about, you said 25,000 and 50,000 for personal injury. Does that mean 25,000 for the pain I experience, or does that 25,000 cover medical bills, or what? Do you know what that is about? Can you explain to them what that means?
So the 25 and 50, just to separate it out real quick, that's 25 up to 25,000 for one person in the accident, up to 50,000 for the whole accident. So if you hit a minivan with 6 people, maybe they're all only $10,000 of injuries, you wouldn't have enough because you'd be capped out at 50 and you'd still be short 10. Okay. I just wanted to clarify that part of the 25-50. And yes, so the idea behind insurance is to make us whole again. So that 25 and 50 could be medical bills. If you had to take extended time off of work, it could be to recoup work wages and stuff like that.
Okay, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this first video in the series regarding automobile insurance. Be on the lookout for the next ones. If you've been in an accident, give me a call. Let's strategize. I won't charge a dime for it, and let's figure out what your next best step should be. 360-209-3360. I look forward to hearing from you.